Trying to get this Forged Motorsport silicone hose connected in here on the inlet into the turbo. I have a rag in it right now, but I'm about to take that out and get to it. It's gonna be fun. Gotta get it through all these little hoses, but it should fit. It was a pain to get it in. I had to end up taking off 2 bolts to move this and the intake manifold, to move this orifice tube that goes into the thermostat. I moved it out a little bit, forced in the silicone hose since it's thicker than the factory piping. Then I had to put it right back in. But it's sitting on the turbo. It's gonna give you a fight, but well worth the upgrade in size of air volume. I'm gonna take advantage that I'm here. I'm gonna put in an engine cold air intake. I'm gonna have to take off the headlight to run it underneath. Goes underneath the headlight next to the battery. I'm gonna buy another one, but for now I'm gonna use a K&N cleaner and recharger kit. I know it's not K&N, but this shit needs to be clean. I got it all together. Offer up. Now we'll move on to the filter. You can see how filthy it is. It's supposed to be blue. I want to spray this very liberally and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, depending on how dirty it is. Reapply, then clean it from the inside. If you remove it, obviously you'll just have to cap that off. If you do the delete for the secondary air box, I might do that. I have to do some more research on how to get that done. And then here, I took it off of the factory air box so you could connect your mass airflow back on. It has 2 Phillips screws on the side. It's pretty simple to take it off and then just place it in here by yourself. It's silicone, so it can be squished a little bit, but it's going to be a passageway a little bit to the right. You're going to see it because then the headlight won't fit. But once that's all done, you'll have your cold air intake filter right here. Just got to be careful, of course, if it rains, going through puddles, because it's going to soak up all of that water.